Small renovation project. Demolition is a dirty job. Small room and so many rubbish. Bagged and ready to go to skip. Small renovation project. Lots of crap works. Electrical first fix. Subscribe to see. Small renovation project. During this short video, you would see big changes to this room. Wall insulation and linings. Mattresses and vapor barrier. Boarding with 2 skins. A 15mm sound block.
Ready for the eighth, she ain't ready for the eighth. Mad as savage in me back and I'm back and it happening, ready to blow. I remember doing deeds with Deji from the street, they left me on my own. Mom kept asking me about how I got the P, I told her leave it mum and grow. Then they're ringing off my phone, then they're ringing off my phone. Times change but mine's made though, I ain't got line patience. Tried then, don't like baitness, come close but swear that went ghost with a hair pack, never boast loud, get your bird whacked in my condo where I birth tracks with a gang. Catch that for the gram, snap that for the man. These dudes do the most, no money in the hand. I ain't never had to. And you know he be riding on the wave. I ain't got a lot to say. Mine's heavy, give me space. Pine's ready, let me blaze. Spend money, what I waste. Times money, money pays. You ain't ready for the eighth. She ain't ready for the eighth. He be riding on the wave.